Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak and kidney pie. This classic British dish is hearty and delicious, perfect for a comforting meal. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including good quality stewing beef and fresh ox kidney. We'll start by preparing the vegetables and then move on to browning the meat to build a rich flavor base for our pie. This initial preparation is key to a truly satisfying result. Now, let's create that incredible filling. Begin by browning your diced beef and kidney in a hot pan until they have a lovely color. This step locks in the flavor. Next, sauté your chopped onions and carrots until they are tender, then stir in a tablespoon of flour to thicken the sauce. Pour in the beef broth, bring it to a simmer, and let it cook gently for about 1.5 hours until the meat is tender. With your delicious filling ready, it's time to assemble the pie. Make sure the meat mixture has cooled down completely. This prevents the pastry from becoming soggy. Carefully line your pie dish with 1/2 of the puff pastry, then spoon in the rich filling. Place the second half of the pastry over the top, crimp the edges to seal, and don't forget to cut a few small vents for steam to escape during baking. Finally, for that perfect golden finish, brush the top of your pie with an egg wash. Pop it into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until the pastry is beautifully golden brown and puffed. Let it rest for a few minutes before serving. This hearty pie is wonderful with mashed potatoes or green vegetables. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.